today with Michael S. Berry sleeping in the gillies. The gillies. But what we don't know is that today, not tomorrow, but today, Michael S. Berry is going to go for 12 snores in a row. 12, which will not just be the Australian.
I want to let you know that Barry has already tested out at 10 farts.
12?
He's already tested out at 10 farts. And 4 burps.
You keep
and he has beat the world record in both of them.
Go that way.
For years. But what Michael S. Berry is going for today is the Australian record for most snores in a row. He's going for it today. Let's see if he can get it.
Oh, Barry! You got to get 12 snores today, Barry. Let's do it. Let's see what he can do. Here we go.
Get it.
That's 1,
2,
and 2.
3.
That's 3. Oh, 4. That's 5, 6.
This is unbelievable.
Oh my God!
Oh, Barry, that's 7.
The last 3 are gonna be terrible.
9. Come on, Barry, push it. 10.
Unbelievable! He's got it! One more thing!
Yes!
The world record!
12! Barry has done it! World record number 3! He's broken the fart to the bump!
12 fucking snores!
Michael S. Berry, what do you have to say about this? The words of a champion.
Oh, Barry, say something here! Yes!
Barry, I couldn't have said it any better myself. Really.